Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Escape battery. Before we begin, it's crucial to prepare properly. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm and 13mm wrench, along with safety glasses and gloves. Always ensure your Ford Escape is parked on a flat surface, the engine is off, and the keys are out of the ignition to prevent any accidental starts or electrical issues. Safety first, always. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Begin by using your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal cable, marked with a minus sign. It's vital to disconnect this one first. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. After both cables are free, unfasten the battery hold-down bracket, which usually requires a 13mm socket or wrench. This secures the battery in its tray. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift the old battery out. Remember, they can be quite heavy. Before placing the new battery, inspect the battery tray for any corrosion and clean it thoroughly with a wire brush if needed. Now, gently set the new battery into the tray. Reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both securely with your 10mm wrench. This order is important for safety. You're almost done. Reinstall and tighten the battery hold-down clamp to ensure the new battery is firmly secured and won't shift while driving. Take a moment to double-check all your connections, making sure they are snug and secure. Finally, start your Ford Escape to confirm everything is working correctly. Some models might require a simple battery monitoring system reset, which can often be done by following your owner's manual instructions. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.